Theatre Talk, the story behind the spotlight. Theatre Talk. Once you come inside of that theatre space, you learn something called discipline.
Pantomime Big Yaad Vibes.
Serious?
Big Yaad.
Up a little theatre, yes?
Cue the drama!
Lights, camera.
Theatre Talk.
Welcome back. You're off key, Charles.
Anyway, so welcome back to Theatre Talk Season 2. I'm Latoya Newman.
And I'm Fabenelle Williams.
Really, really good to be back.
We feel good.
So let's talk. We and everything theatre. So today is a very different day, different vibe and energy. Normally we're the ones on the side of the sofa asking the questions and digging into the craft and putting everybody else in the spotlight.
Going off. But today, the spotlight's been.
Yeah.
It's been run and the script flip.
Yeah.
And somehow we end up in the hot seat.
Sure. So because joining us today is now, well, some of them vibrant are what?
Some
Some of the vibrant pantomime cast members, yeah? And of course, we the hosts will be stepping from behind, in front, the chair. Which part would I know?
So we are guests ourselves.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Probably want to show you understand?
So welcome to Theatre Talk Jazz and Calnef. Calnef.
With a TH, specific with a TH.
Yes.
Pissed me off.
You're pretty impressed that it means to say Calnef.
Hi Jazz, Jamali, how are you?
There.
I don't know.
Yeah. Calnef, what on?
I am is here.
You know, so we
good for them.
we are the pantomime, or some of the pantomime cast members.
Yes.
And of course, we are here because we want to promote pantomime Big Yaad Vibes.
Serious?
Big Yaad.
Up a little theatre, yes?
Right.
Yeah. Enough things are going on Big Yaad
Yeah.
Vibes.
Too much.
But let's talk a little bit Let's talk a little bit though about, I guess, us and our involvement in pantomime.
Okay.
I feel like the producers have some questions. Are we?
Asa?
You can't introduce yourself. You play which, you play what, and you play what, and you play what.
Okay, so let me start with me. So I play Tamara. I'm a Sunday. So what am You watch me play the man, sir?
Tired of
You
that.
have the light beam, honey Kilani.
Right now with that in some part,
Look at man. So yes, I'm Tamara.
Yes.
I play the mother to Kilani and Shelly. Shelly's behind the camera.
But who is Tamara though?
Tamara is a 40-year-old lady. I don't beg nowhere close 40. Let me just say that. You understand? Tamara is a hard-working female who believes that which part she come from, not the pick which part she go.
Yeah.
Right? So she's determined, she's very persuasive, and she get done. You understand?
Which is typically the mindset of most
Jamaican women, right.
I like Tamara. I think Tamara's pretty cool.
Thanks.
I like Tamara. She down to earth and she just,
Yeah.
Say it as it
And when she went to
Naturally.
bad dog Clarissa,
And speaking of Clarissa, are you there?
Come now, Clarissa, the wicked witch of.
oh Lord, Mr. Audience.
Nobody.
Look here, one night, may I come down the I'm walking through the audience. Here one lady, she can't drop. I said the people they hate
Me
me.
them that wish you no well.
That me I play a role good.
Well.
But they might take it serious, man.
Them take it too serious.
Because they can relate.
Watch her in her one shoe. One shoe.
So how it is?
You play skillet, you know.
Is it Skillet or Kilani?
Kilani.
To Tamara, Skillet to everybody else.
So skillet is a hustler in the show. You know, I always want to make things alright to the mother and you know, baby girl, Crystal. You know?
And him little sister.
And him little
Family first.
Family
first.
So Crystal name first.
Crystal.
Typical man.
I say it. So you know, you have to put the woman name first. Anyway, so it's a hustler. You know, you might try to save the yard. Because you don't want the yard get sell from, you know, wicked Clarissa.
Who is him auntie?
Well, you know what I realize?
Isn't it auntie? Because we are cousin.
We're cousins or?
We're cousins.
Oh, so how that go?
So are you
First cousin.
First cousin.
So yeah.
A second?
Yes.
Are you a bigger cousin?
Or the second? Not the second because
Second cousin.
we would have been first.
Yeah, we'll be first.
All right.
Second cousin.
We didn't know nothing about family tree, understand?
Anyways, so you know, it's always hustlers. Me say, man try to save the yard with a round robin, and then no save up some money, get him money.
You're talking
Producer just cut him.
Yeah.
So how this now? Who this?
Oh, me, my time now. Well, this year, me a dancer.
Yeah.
But me have a role, you know.
Yeah.
Me a mailman.
Mailman.
Me a the mailman this year. I'm only role that otherwise so me a dance and I bring the vibes in a big yard. Cause me a the fee in a vibes, you know.
Yeah.
Everybody know that. You see me?
Facts.
But me a mailman this year. And poor with dog always a rush me. You see me? But me have to get the job done. Have to bring the mail to where name again?
Clarissa.
To Clarissa.
You know always a call her Crystal.
Crystal, yeah.
Cut the part there now.
Yeah, so I always get the mail to Clarissa now. You see me? But poor with dog always in my way, so I have to slap him with the bag, I have to jump over him head, I have to jump over him fence. So I have to do a bag of things just to get the meal. That's the hardest meal to deliver. The hardest meal to deliver.
But that is a typical Jamaican.
So that I'm not Jamaican?
Yeah, man.
I think I'm foreigner.
No, man.
Mealman? Which dog mealman?
Postman.
But Jamali, you also understudy skillet.
Skillet. Yeah, I understudy skillet. I'm going to play 26. 26, I'm going to play a skillet. Yeah, people? Alright, yeah.
Why is the camera?
Just I'm going to know. Just I'm going to know. So,
See you there.
Yeah, 26. The vibes, I'm going to play a skillet. Remember.
Wait, want to see the show yet? Big Yaad Vibes, showing every weekend at the Little Theatre.
Saturday, 2 p.m. Sunday, 4:30. Bring the family now. Bring the kids. Come watch me.
We close Mother's Day, I don't understand why we're not seeing you there.
Yeah, it now sit well with my soul, yeah? So make sure you come.
Come on, guys, and we want to big up our title sponsors for the ThreatreTalkPodcast, which is the Pantomime Company.
Yeah. Big Yaad Vibes, Upper Liquor Theatre. Yeah.
So we know that pantomime is a whole different vibe, right?
Yeah.
And most of you act in different plays. What drew you to pantomime and what makes pantomime different from the other plays that you ever participate in?
Well, the difference with pantomime is you dance, you sing, and you act. The rest of play them now, we just act in the rest of play them. So you have to fit for pantomime. You have to fit for pantomime. and I want to look up. Pantomime, I want to look up walkover.
No.
So if you're unhealthy and you're unfit, just...
Love it.
Just sit down.
Miss Judah said, sister.
Yeah, sister.
Sit. You sit here. Sit right
Yeah,
here.
you see me, so pantomime different because we have to do all of them things there. And you can't late.
Yeah.
You have to on time. You see me? You have to eat good food because you have to work hard. People have to hear you.
Yeah.
You see me? So
What do you
what thing? When I say
So for me though, I think the difference is that with pantomime, it's a bigger cast.
Yeah.
And you know, it's just a bigger dynamic. People from different backgrounds and you know, as Jazz says,
Different personalities.
different personalities, and you're singing and you're dancing and you're acting. So it's a little bit more. It takes a lot more out of you.
Yeah.
And the process is, I believe, the process is a little harder.
Yeah.
Just based on my experience, it's a little harder.
No, it's hard to true, man.
Because when we're ready, we fight and we curse and we quarrel and we hate each other and when we love each other back and then we hate again. It's a lot.
And they will get it together the 26th.
Then we'll get it together.
You understand?
yes.
Always get it
One
together.
thing I admire about the pantomime is once you come inside of that theatre space, you learn something called discipline. Because I joined the pantomime 2 years ago.
Yeah.
So this is my second show. I wasn't there when Miss G was there. So I'm sorry I never did it. But
Sorry, you never did it.
yeah,
sorry,
man,
we never did it.
sorry, man.
That's true.
When
When Jamali brought me to the pantomime, Jamali said, "Come man," and I said, "We're not ready yet." In that what 2017.
Yeah, man, from there, you're never ready for
Never.
nothing.
So if I say forward, I say, all right, I forward. I'm come on the pantomime and thing, and as well as they say, the environment, the vibrance and everything, the people cuss, But at the end of the day, we'll come back
Get the
together.
work done.
You know, and if what's different with outside of Pantomime, other production that I've been in, people are show up late at the other production them, and them can go up on stage, them can perform, and them can do whatever. The pantomime, discipline.
Yeah.
If you're late, sit down. That's what I've heard before I came there, right?
Yeah.
So we need to get back to roots and get back to where I come from. So that's how we love about the pantomime, you know, and the dancing and everything. That.
I'm certain about the dance.
So you love watch the dance.
No, I love do the dancing.
You love do the dancing.
Come and watch a show.
No,
I have to see some dance.
But this show has, I like the fact that this show has a lot of dance numbers.
Yeah.
And it's a whole heap of vibes.
Whole heap of
Like
vibes.
closing, I don't want to give away too much of it, but like closing act 1 and opening act 2.
Yeah.
Like the
And
dancing.
current
it's really
moves
nice.
as well.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Fresh, man.
It's nice and fresh.
All if you can't dance and you come watch a show, you feel like the people who are dancer.
No.
Trust
Hey,
me.
what made you join the pantomime?
Kenny Salmon, to be honest. Him forced me to say, Fabenelle, the pantomime needs you.
Me too.
I said, me? I just started performing in our school, so I did shy. Never know where me I go, you know. Went, auditioned, Mrs. G was there, Ziggy was there, Sir Patrick Earl was there for the movement, and I had to sing, dance, and do a piece of a poem.
Yeah.
Lati?
Yeah.
What made me join? You know, I don't know.
You know how you end up there?
No, it's buck hops, and I feel like it's God, honest to God, because I don't remember I don't remember applying. You understand? But I know I got a call to come and audition. So I was in another theatre group, center stage workshop group. And then I just got a call to say, come, go to the pantomime and do this audition. When we go, the place packed of people. So, to be honest, I don't even know how I get through because how so many persons were there, in my head, I'm like, oh,
You don't stand a chance.
I understand, no chance. Let me just do this. Let me just get this over with and
Self-doubt.
go from my yard. And then I got the call to say, you know,
But God.
Oh. I forgot. Because you know, me not a singer nor a dancer like
No,
that.
no, he's not, he's
like
not.
that. No, like that. Make it look
All right, like that.
like that.
So you guys talk about the production being very demanding, both physically and vocally.
Yeah.
What part of this production that the energy have to be up every single night? How do you process that in your head?
Vibes.
Well, what
Vibes.
I think about is the fact that people are paying their hard-earned money to come sit down and watch it. Money, I know, is something to get this today.
Yeah, especially now.
I would have taken $3 grand, I know.
You know which scene stressed me out and take a whole heap out of me? I think that's what she's probably asking. The scene where
You faint?
you make me drop.
At one time, you know, look how much show we do.
Me say, podcast land. I have to tell you how can it make me drop. Woof, one night. So, and you know, acting is about trust.
Right.
And trusting your fellow castmates and so on. So there's a scene where I'm
not
supposed
trust me,
to
I know.
faint.
And
Right?
guitar.
Yes, and because I'm in a character and me do my thing and me focus on what I do, but just drop. Expecting
Same catch her.
that he's behind me to catch me.
Not so at
Poof!
all.
Him no did it. Him no reach it.
So you think you will feel too early?
No, I fainted on cue. It was on point. He was not there. No,
I was there. I was there.
But that scene takes a lot out of me. Holy pot of me.
Well, you
The
see.
part- Oh, go ahead.
Oh, you see, no take enough out of me a ding dong scene. With me, you and Terra lead the dance.
Oh Lord,
See
man.
that scene there?
Oh,
Every night, me have to
sipping my
drink-
tea, bird.
Yes.
Yeah, holy power water before me touch
My
her.
scene is the gate scene where I have to pretend a gate falls in my hand. The gate have to be. I have to pretend like it's heavy, like a feather. I have to pretend that I struggle to hold the gate. Take one whole heap out of me, man.
So audience interaction. We know the pantomime is all about audience interaction. So tell me, what is the wildest or the most unexpected crowd reaction you've ever gotten on stage?
The one lady one night. Oh my God, that lady is. I feel like somebody PR.
She forgot, make she quiet.
Make she go. No forgive her. No forgive her.
Like she a
Watch
tell.
her. Watch
We
her
don't
teeth.
believe her. Yes,
Like if me never sturdy, you know myself, more come back on the stage.
Yeah, man.
More go back.
true.
The lady do me bad, man.
And sometimes the audience make a break with character and they stop it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, them just.
Them funny,
Them
you know.
artists have something to say. Nobody else
No,
that
it's
thing.
funny
Just
about
like
it.
say something.
And the mere fact that we're up on stage, the lights them in our face, we not
See
see.
ya who.
We hear the voices.
But that actually
Oh,
makes
we
the show
are
even more
really-
nicer still, you know.
No, we don't go to it because
Focus.
Yeah, me always break my focus.
Focus.
Me always break my
But we
focus.
hear them say, that one day I laugh, that one day I laugh.
Oh my God, I'm sorry guys, but one night I laughed when Fake Adina closed. The act drop off and was supposed to come down and say to him and say, I knew you guys were pranking me. I don't know, everybody's face had this funny look on
Yeah,
it.
man, me never turn back, I'm dead.
No,
Me not say-
so immediately I started laughing. I mean, the audience, watch her laugh, watch her laugh. But that's not professional though. That's
No,
not professional.
No, it's not. It's not.
Don't do that, don't do that.
Don't do that at home, kids.
So you guys play to kids, you act in front of children and adults alike, right? There are two different audiences. You'll get two different responses. How do you shape a character so that everybody can feel included?
Them and that DP?
Like, so the show starting the show you have to feel the audience. Like as a start you have the first scene, they use the first scene and the first 2-3 scenes if you know them. If you know what them like, because if you reach our third scene and them not laugh, you have to go step it up now. So sometimes you have to use the first 3 scenes and look where you get a little chuckle or a little laugher and just use that or use something around that. Or you go to somebody and say, yo, watch out now. You know, so when you jump the fence and roll, everybody give me a reaction. So you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to start move faster because maybe I swiftness them love. So you have to try to feel out the audience them from early.
But you know, some audience quiet, while you have some audience loud.
Right.
Don't watch the quiet one.
Yeah.
They might enjoy the show.
Yeah, man, some of them.
They might enjoy the show.
Yeah.
So at that most actors take like when they go in on stage, they might look for the loudness and the laughter.
Never.
No.
Yeah, they might listen, they might watch.
Yeah.
Them engage.
They might
Very
because I remember we performed for some elderly.
Yes.
Right? And they enjoyed the show.
They did.
Yeah.
And them never did that laugh
never
loud,
did
but they were enjoying
So when
it.
we done and then we went
go
back
out, yeah.
outside.
Yeah. You know? So
And then naturally we're gonna receive a different response from children. Because
Children.
they love excitement.
Ah,
The
all
theater
the
is
time.
dark.
And
So
them love light,
It's-
them love...
when the light
especially-
come on, them scream.
yeah.
Yeah.
What's adults then them not gonna get
So
excited.
every audience different.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
you as an actor, just do what you have to do every night the same way every night,
I have to believe in yourself.
and just go
Let's
there
talk about that
100%.
though. The fact that for pantomime, and we run so long, we run from December to May, every single night you do the same thing.
Thing. Oh
And you
my
have to
All
do
the
the same
people that-
energy. Tired.
Tiring. Let's see, especially when Act 1 done, just go backstage, man.
Let's give me a
Drink some
moment.
water.
Yes.
Just please.
Yeah,
So can you imagine when you reach out like April,
Oh Lord.
after doing the show so many times, when I get bored,
No,
No.
the synergy, the synergy we were
Amongst ourselves.
doing it so long and together.
It's really gonna keep me going, you know.
Yeah.
yeah,
Una funny, you know.
Una keep me going, you know.
Bless.
Una annoy me. Like I can't wait to leave from
Sure.
around.
But I always go there. I always look forward to see it.
Always.
I can't wait to go home.
Always a call, I say, call it, or if I come on the show, or if I
That's a lie. No man, we sick on after a while.
It's like when I'm on my way to the theater, I'm like, all right, tired, you know, judge them, I just don't do much work. But once I reach in the dressing room,
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna see the puppet show them. Yeah, man, me come alive, man, me alive.
Why should somebody join the pantomime?
Why not? Why not?
So give me
Support.
some reason.
First of all, we said it earlier, the discipline.
Yeah.
I feel like if you're in the arts and if you're a creative, yes, you have the talent, yes, you have the skill or whatever it is, but you need some discipline in the craft. Yeah, so join the pantomime so that you can get
And
that.
what a lot of people don't understand is a lot of these big actors,
Yeah.
a pantomime them start from.
Yeah.
Real training.
Most of
So
them.
don't
most of them.
say it through
Yeah.
to the roots. You
Yeah.
understand?
Real
That
Don't
bust them
say-
for true.
See the big actor them and say, all right, I want to jump straight into that.
No.
Start from where it started.
Yeah, because a pantomime, I know enough actor and I
Yeah.
even after I perform, they must say, yo, Jazz, you see that way you do? Yeah man, keep it up man. We
Yeah,
love
yeah,
performance. Pantomime, enough of them know me. Enough of them even tell me so this is them start from.
Yeah.
And look on them now. Yeah, so Pantomime is one good place to start.
And then we're also a good community of
Yeah,
people,
for real.
you know. The camaraderie is really nice, the spirit.
Yeah.
We're like a family, and you want to be a part of.
Yeah, because if you're there, so me go there early now and I'm gonna get hungry. I can say, "Hey man, you can buy."
I want to stop them something.
so yeah, we look out for each other.
Can somebody buy me a 2-piece?
Yeah.
Yes.
Just coming from a yard.
So if you're out there, you don't have a space to show your talent, show your craft, come to the
Start a
National
pantomime.
Pantomime.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Start.
man.
Yeah.
Welcome on.
I see, girl.
Alright, so we're gonna do an activity. Well, this is our break a leg segment.
Yeah, a new segment.
Yeah, new segment.
Break a
so
leg.
you'll see in the other episodes where, you know, when we have our other guests,
Yeah.
we do a break a leg segment. Can I get it? Break a leg, acting,
Theatre.
Get it?
Yeah,
Get it?
Them get it. Ah, yeah.
Break it.
So what is break a leg?
It's good luck, is it not?
Good luck.
It's good luck.
In theatre talk.
In theatre talk.
Oh, in the podcast?
Yes.
Oh, guys, when I say that, theatre talk, as in theatre terms.
What should I say?
Last.
Alright, so the break a leg segment is pretty much a segment where we do an activity. Yeah.
Like an icebreaker.
And it's an icebreaker,
Yeah.
thing. You know, we're
thespians.
Yeah. So that's what break a leg is. So let's jump into it. What we're doing today?
Alright, so what we're doing today is a reaction, because you know the chorus is very important in a pantomime.
Right.
Alright, so I'm gonna say something and I want pantomime response. So just remember that acting is responding.
Yeah.
So get
Get
ready.
ready.
Now the actor, and
Yeah.
I'm gonna say something and I'm going to respond. The biggest and the funniest. Then can stand up? No?
No,
Alright.
it's pretty long. We're good.
Ready?
Here's expression.
Ready?
Ready, man.
Not certain, but alright.
Not okay.
What a way you're bright!
Oh.
Who's your David?
They know it looks like
Wait. I'm confused. Are we supposed to give?
Respond.
Like expression-wise.
Yes, she did it well.
Oh, sorry.
Let me
Misinterpret the instructions. And I'm
That's
just
so bright, you know,
Stop
that's
that.
Because she have foundation, so she know everything already.
Today a long time.
Yeah, so we just catching up.
Remember the chef?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So follow that, guys.
Yes. Look for her.
Next one? Or are you doing it
Ready.
again?
Ready.
Oh,
Ready.
yeah, it's a big surprise. You're not supposed to know.
All right.
That is it.
Bakayo!
Bakaho!
I'm very good. Oh, this is this one. No, alright. Better say. Mirated.
Here ya.
See him say it, go girl.
How will you say to me?
That
Yeah.
one.
Yeah.
So in a pantomime, I'm going to do this.
But you say you just want to response?
Just want to
the next
respond.
first line no come yet.
We don't improvise and
So that's what I would do.
But you need a silence too, because
Yeah.
the person have to really think.
If it's a little more silence. Learn. Alright, so we're going to create a dub now.
Then.
The drum comes in.
Great.
Yeah, man. Alright, this is it. Theatre talk, the story behind the spotlight. Theatre talk, unscripted. Theatre talk, on stage. Theatre talk, the craft. I don't know
I've got to write that down.
Yeah.
so much.
I think some of you just come and say sitting.
I'm only thinking
Let me
that
come.
I said something about theatre talk.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, so you know.
Give the first line.
So theatre talk, the stories behind the spotlight. See ya. Yes, already. Focus.
Yeah.
Focus. Theatre talk, the stories behind the spotlight. Give it
Run
something.
the just play the rhythm, man.
Yeah.
See ya now. Come dubbies. King dubbies. Come here, man.
Theatre talk, the story behind the spotlight.
Theatre
Theatre talk, unscripted.
Theatre talk.
On stage.
Theatre talk.
The craft.
Theatre
The craft, theatre talk.
The story.
Theatre talk. The story behind the spotlight, theatre talk. Unscripted, theatre talk. On the stage, theatre talk. Theatre talk. We craft, theatre talk. Don't mess with the craft, theatre talk. Unscripted, theatre talk.
Rest.
Billboard from 100.
No.
Top of the chart.
Remember we.
Well, thank you guys so
For
much.
sticking and staying.
Yes, this was a great episode.
Yeah.
It was great. We had fun.
Feel like me for me yardie.
Big Yaad there.
Thank you. And speaking of Big Yaad, guys, please come out to watch our show. Big Yaad Vibes.
Yeah.
Tamara.
Yeah.
Skillet. Mailman and Clarissa.
Really, I come
we
see
show every single weekend
Syria.
on a Saturday and
Sweeter.
Sunday. Saturday's 2 o'clock. Sundays 4:30 p.m.
That's right.
We show up until Mother's Day. Come now, carry your family, carry your church group,
Carry the kids.
carry everybody.
Yes.
Have fun.
Right.
Walk good.
Cue the drama.
Lights, camera,
ThreatreTalk.